In today's video, I'll show you how you can increase ChatGPT reply speed. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go into the settings of ChatGPT. And from here, you want to click here on your profile icon in the top right and go into settings. In here is that you would want to go into personalization. And from here, you can manage your memories. So this is also a way for you to clear out your storage in here in ChatGPT, because chances are you have a lot of things saved in your account. And that is why you are running out of storage. And that is the reason why you are getting slow response speed. So it could really help if you could clear out your storage here in your account. So in here, you'd be able to see that you could also save memories and so on. So if you don't want that, or if you don't really need this, then you can turn that off so that you'd be able to save storage. And next is that you want to go into data controls. And from here, you can now delete all chats. So this is a way for you to clear out all the chats and clear out all the storage in here in ChatGPT so that you would have a blank slate. And that way you would get the fastest version of ChatGPT even if you are in the free plan. Because if you have a lot of chats already right here, especially when you don't need them, it will just slow down ChatGPT in terms of reply speed. And if you delete them, then you will now be able to see the difference that it will now be much faster. And now, if you don't want to do that, is that you could also do this as an alternative, but even better is that you would want to do this altogether with the first one that we have mentioned, which is simply by going here into your browser, go into the settings. So in Chrome, you want to click here on the three dots on the top right and go into settings and go into privacy and security. And from here, you would want to go into site settings. And now you would want to go here into view permissions and data stored across sites and go for ChatGPT. And then, or you can go for OpenAI, and then you would have this right here. Now you want to click here on the delete button. So basically you would want to clear all data on that site. This also would help to fasten or make it quicker when in terms of reply speed. Now, if you don't want to do any deleting and you just want to get faster speed, then you can absolutely do that, but you would have to pay, because you want to click here on the upgrade plan on the bottom left, wherein you would be able to see the paid plans here in ChatGPT. In this one, you would get extended limits on messaging, file uploads, and many more. So you would get more storage and then access to newer models right here, and they are a faster version compared to the GPT-4o mini on the free plan. So yeah, that's it on how you'd be able to get faster reply speeds on ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.